Your press doesn't have to stop running to become a serious production bottleneck. In fact, the most expensive bottlenecks are usually the ones that keep operating just well enough to avoid immediate attention. Cycle times begin to drift. Changeovers take longer. Operators make constant adjustments to keep parts within tolerance. Maintenance calls become more frequent. Production falls behind, and every delay becomes harder to recover. One of the clearest warning signs is inventory building up around the press. Upstream equipment is waiting to unload. Downstream operations are waiting for parts. Work in process starts piling up because the press can no longer keep pace with the rest of the line. Quality problems are another red flag. Inconsistent force, position, speed, temperature, or motion can lead to part variation, excessive springback, incomplete forming, rework, and scrap. Operators may develop workarounds, but when the process depends on constant manual correction, the press is already limiting production. The bottleneck may not be the press itself. Manual loading, slow part transfer, lengthy die changes, offline inspection, heating and cooling delays, or outdated controls can all hold back an otherwise capable machine. Then demand increases, product mixes expand, tolerances tighten. Customers expect shorter lead times. A press that performed well at lower volumes may suddenly become the point that restricts the entire operation. And simply adding more tonnage will not always solve the problem. The solution may be an upgrade. It may be better automation, or it might be accepting that the press has gone as far as it can, and replacing it before it holds the entire operation back. Because the longer a bottleneck is allowed to remain, the more it affects labor, quality, delivery, capacity, and cost. The question is not whether your press is still running. The question is whether it's still keeping up.